Kansas Wildlife Parks and Tourism law enforcement officers are busy protecting the state's natural resources most of the time, but in their off hours they enjoy the outdoors as much as anyone. Rick Campbell, a district law enforcement supervisor for northeastern Kansas, was a surprise hiker as I filmed on a back trail at Konza Prairie near Manhattan. He was enjoying the scenery, but he had another reason.
Well, I'm getting in shape for the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to walk the Blue Ridge Mountains of Georgia and leave a truck up in North Carolina a few miles. It's about an 80-mile trip. Yeah, I'll walk the six-mile trail this morning. The last time I did the 6 mile, it took me 2 hours and 6 minutes. So that's about 2.5, 3 miles an hour. Of course, it's flat land. A little different than what I'm going to see in Georgia, but one foot in front of the other. If I do 10 miles a day, that'll be 8 nights camping. And if I can surpass 10 miles, I will. But I have points that I have to make in a day, and if I can go beyond that, fine.
Campbell, who is 60 years old and recovered from major surgery, hikes with a full pack to be used to the extra weight. With water on board, his pack usually weighs in at about 35 pounds. He's taking his Appalachian trek in stages.
Well, the people that are the true through hikers that start at Springer Mountain in Georgia and walk clear to Maine, they start out in March or April. And they end up in September or October. So I figure I'll start out in April and this year do Georgia and next year do North Carolina. I always wanted to hike, and this is one way to stay in shape. Turn back the clock a little bit. If I can do this, then I can keep working.
Good luck on the trail ahead, Rick. I'm Mike Blair for Kansas Wildlife Parks and Tourism.